Several years ago, I was in one of those big shopping malls, which is more like a market where they sell nothing but IT equipment. I was after a new adapter for my phone, and I came across this one store where they had a sale on. So I asked about the adapters, and the guy behind the counter showed me this nifty, what he called state-of-the-art adapter that apparently works on all phones. So I asked if it would work on my Samsung model, and he said, yeah, of course. Unfortunately, I'd forgotten to bring my phone, so I actually couldn't try it. Well, the sales assistant was very confident and dismissed any questions I had with a wave of the hand saying, yes, it'll work, I guarantee you, I stake my life on it. So I took a chance and I thought it would be fine. It turns out, though, that it didn't fit. Now, my first reaction was that he had blatantly lied to me just to make a sale. Naturally, I was a little annoyed, but then I thought maybe he'd just made a mistake. Mind you, maybe I was being too forgiving. In any case, I went back the next day and complained. He actually seemed genuinely surprised that it didn't work, but as I had a receipt, he let me change it for another one, and he reimbursed me with the price difference. So it worked out well in the end.